Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education to solve technical problems. These are the connecting rods of 4K petrol engine installed in Toyota Corolla 1982 model. This is the front of the piston and we will match it with the front of the connecting rod like that. The reason behind that is there is an oil hole in the connecting rod which will work as a cooling jet for the piston. That is the oil hole in the connecting rod which will also lubricate the liner and will work as a cooling jet for the piston. First we have to assemble the connecting rods with the piston. Don't forget to lubricate the gudgeon pin before inserting in the connecting rod and the piston. That is the gudgeon pin. These are the 100 side piston, the size of the piston. These are the oil holes inside the piston. There you can see them for gudgeon pin lubrication. The old piston and liner was in very poor condition, so we have to bore in the block, fresh bore at the 100 size, install the new piston of the 100 size. That is the number 3 piston. That is the number 2 connecting rod, number 2 piston, and there you can see 100 points to form the piston. That is the front of the piston and front of the connecting rod matched. Now we will check the size of the piston rings in the piston and in the block before installing them. That is the oil ring. Here you can see we have inserted the piston rings in the block to verify the size of the piston rings. There you can see the minor clearance in the piston rings. That is a filler gauge we have inserted to check the size of the piston ring. Now we will insert the remaining pistons in the block to check their size also. With the help of piston, you can align the piston ring. Now you can check the clearance of the connecting rod. Now you can check the clearance of the piston ring in the cylinder. That is the whole technique for checking the clearance of the piston ring. These are the helper rings for the oil ring. Slide them down with the help of piston to check their clearance. We will assemble the piston by inserting the piston rings in the piston. We will insert the piston in the block after lubricating the big end bearing. Slowly slide the piston in the cylinder. That is the ring clip we are using to insert the piston in the cylinder block. After sliding the piston in the cylinder, we will install the cap of the big end bearing of the connecting rod. With the slight tapping, the connecting rod is installed in the crankshaft. Lubricate the big end bearing and then install it on the crankshaft. Now we will give the torque after inserting all the connecting rods. give torque to all the connecting rods. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos like that.